Hey everyone, this is the overview video for day 2. A couple things I want to point out. I found that our textbook is actually online, so I linked it right here where it says online textbook. So if you need to reference a textbook at any point, I know we already went through the reading guide and some of you used just Google or other resources, which is totally fine, but I just wanted to make sure that you guys knew that that was there. It doesn't go by page number, but it goes by chapter. So if you kind of click through, you'll be able to see the chapters, and then it has exactly what your paper textbook would have. So on day 2, if we go into our distance learning folder, go into unit 3. So we've completed day 1, and even if you haven't been able to complete day 1, go back and do that whenever it's convenient for you. So here's day 2. So day 2 should be on April 8th. So we'll click into that, and you have a couple things to do. So I went through and I kind of narrated the muscular system for you. So I put that link here on the muscular system PowerPoint. Feel free to pause, rewind, fast forward, take whatever notes you need or can do. As for taking notes, I kind of am leaving it up to you guys. I did post a more simplified type of notes. I know in class we do a lot of fill in the blank, which is a little bit hard to do on the iPad. And so I simplified it a little bit so that you could kind of type in the answers in your notes a little bit easier on the iPad. Feel free to print it off if you have that availability, or whatever else you can come up with to take notes. They don't need to be turned in. Again, it's just kind of notes for you to have. In the middle of the PowerPoint, I do have a point where I ask you to pause the video and come back out to Schoology and watch this video right here. It's a YouTube video about the steps of a muscle contraction. Me explaining the steps, just kind of gives you them verbally, but it's for a muscle contraction, it's a little bit easier to understand if you actually watch a video. So if you don't do it in the middle of the PowerPoint, that's fine. You can always come back to it in your notes, but at some point, please make sure that you watch this video to get the steps of the muscle contraction as well. And that's it for day 2.